Hey, what's up everybody? I'm Scott and welcome back to the Travel and Invest channel where we talk about ways you can travel for less as well as other personal finance topics. Now, I've had my U.S. Bank Altitude Reserve card for a little over a year now, and I thought I'd do a full review and let you know my thoughts on the card after having it for 1 year. But like always, before we get into it, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. A lot of people don't know much about this credit card, but it easily rivals the Chase Sapphire Reserve and American Express Platinum. This is one of my favorite travel reward credit cards and currently gets the most usage out of all the cards I carry. So to start, this is a premium credit card with an annual fee of $400, which is not waived the first year. But like most premium credit cards on the market, the card more than pays for itself. The Altitude Reserve comes with a $325 annual travel credit, which you can use to book directly from hotels, airlines, trains, cruises, taxis, and rental car companies. Again, in order to trigger this travel credit, you have to book directly with these companies. If you use a third-party company such as Expedia or even U.S Bank's travel portal, you will not get reimbursed. Now, I booked a stay earlier this year on U.S Bank's travel portal hoping to trigger this credit and totally forgot that I had to book directly with the hotel. I called U.S Bank and explained to them what happened, and they were cool about it and gave me 10,000 points for my troubles. Now, they didn't have to do this, so just be careful. Also, this credit is given every card member year, not calendar year. The card currently has a 50,000 point sign-up bonus after you spend $4,500 on the card within 3 months of account opening. These points are valued at 1.5 cents per point, so the 50,000 point sign-up bonus is worth about $750. As far as point earnings, you're going to earn 3 points per dollar spent on travel and on mobile wallet payments, including Samsung Pay, Apple Pay, and Android Pay, just to name a few. Now for me, this is huge because almost all the stores I shop at accept mobile wallet payments. So I'm getting at least 3 points per dollar spent on almost everything. I've earned thousands of points on gas and Casco alone this year, and that's not including all the other stores I shop at. The card earns 1 point per dollar spent on everything else. You're going to get 4 free Priority Pass Select Lounge visits each Priority Pass membership year, and also 12 GoGo in-flight Wi-Fi sessions per calendar year, which is pretty convenient. The card comes with a global entry TSA pre-check credit and also has no foreign transaction fees. Now when it comes to redeeming your points, you can book travel on the U.S Bank Travel portal at 1.5 cents per point, which is great and in line with the Chase Sapphire Reserve. Also, U.S Bank offers what's called real-time mobile rewards. With real-time mobile rewards, you can make a travel purchase on your Altitude Reserve and pay for that travel using points at 1.5 cents per point. How it works is that U.S Bank will send you a text message asking if you would like to use real-time mobile rewards to pay for that particular purchase. You reply to the text with the word redeem, and the charge is paid for using points before it ever hits your account. The only other cards that I know are doing this are Barclays cards and the Capital One Venture. But those programs only allow you to redeem your travel charges at 1 cent per point instead of 1.5 cents per point like the Altitude Reserve. Chase and Amex don't do any of this with any of their cards. The Altitude Reserve is a Visa Infinite card, so you'll have access to most of the Visa Infinite benefits such as car rental and hotel privileges, as well as the hotel collections. Lastly, this card comes with the following insurances. Now you do have to have a U.S Bank checking account open for at least 5 business days before they approve you for this credit card. However, it's pretty easy to set up. Now, I think this is easily one of the best travel reward credit cards on the market, and I think their travel portal has some of the best redemptions, which I'll make a separate video on for you guys. Also, you can rack up a ton of points using mobile wallet payments at 3 points per dollar spent. The next time you're out and about doing some shopping, look how many stores accept mobile wallet payments. I'm not sure why this card doesn't get a lot of love in the points and miles community. However, for me, this card has definitely earned a permanent place in my wallet. Well, that's all I have for you today. My question for you is, has the U.S Bank Altitude Reserve been on your radar? Leave your thoughts on the card in the comment section below. Also, if you think this is a good card, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. Until next time, have a good one.